Hello, this is Amber Wood and welcome to my video. Today I am unboxing the Halloween Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I'm so excited. I actually got one of my boxes 2 days ago and have not opened it yet. So I've been trying to avoid social media to see what anybody's posting about it. I had a friend that got her boxes and she was messaging me pictures. And I was like, oh God, I don't want to look. I don't want to see. I don't want to see. Because I wanted to be surprised when I opened it on my video. So I'm actually waiting for my second box. It's supposed to arrive today. So the first box that I'm going to open is the medium box. I don't even really know the names of these. Oh, Deluxe. I never get it right. I always get them switched around. So I got the medium and the large this time. This is my first time getting the large box. I'm so excited. Halloween is my favorite time of the year. If you know anything about me, you know that. And so the fact that I have a Halloween box of makeup and or accessories or whatever else is in here, I definitely think there's a t-shirt in there. So I'm excited. I was determined to get that big box. And I had my husband on the computer and we were both trying to get it. He couldn't even log in. I was so lucky to finally get the big box and I'm excited. So this is the medium-sized one, which is way bigger than the last medium-sized one. And I think this idea that Jeffree Star Cosmetics has had, it's so smart from a marketing standpoint because people are going to buy it. You can put whatever you want in there and it sells out. So it's brilliant. The smallest one, which I think they call the premium, was $40 and you get 4 items. Medium is the Deluxe, $75 and there's 8 items. The largest box is called Supreme and you get 13 items for $160. People will try stuff that they may not normally try and it kind of pushes people outside of their box, which I like. But then they're also starting to put exclusive items in there. So I think it's a great idea and I'm totally excited. I'm excited to see what's in this box. So shall we open? I think we will. Okay, I have not opened this at all. I have no idea what's in here. I know that there's gonna be a t-shirt because it's got the size on the side, but that's about it. Here we go. Okay, first thing I see a liquid frost. What color is it? Heat Wave. Oh, we're gonna have to open that and see. Heat Wave. Oh, there's the shirt. Can't relate. Oh my God, it's a little bones. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's orange and it's got the bones. Can't relate. I love it. Oh, and it's got nails. Halloween nails. Holy crap, that's cute. Oh, we got some liquid lips. We have a lip ammunition, which are normally like 18 bucks. It's a blue color, it looks like, called Jawbreaker. Bronze Blood. This is a velour liquid lipstick. Bronze Blood. We'll definitely be opening all of that. Oh my God, I got a gloss. I have not bought one of his glosses yet, so I've been dying to try one. This one is Diet Freeze. Oh, that might be pretty. Oh, a Skin Frost. Oh, this is a mystery frost. This is new. Oh, don't tell me this is the mini breaker. Oh my God, y'all, it's a mini breaker. It's a palette. I have this palette already. So what will I do with this? Oh, maybe I'll put it in my makeup kit or maybe I'll give it away. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But I love this palette, you guys. It's got lots of purples. It's really pretty. I use it all the time. And then it looks like a mirror. Oh, okay. I got a new mirror. I only have one of his mirrors. So let's see, what color did I get? Ooh, it's orange. It's orange. Matches my outfit. Oh, y'all, look how cute. Oh, welcome back to my channel. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so excited. Can y'all tell I'm excited? Holy crap! Okay, I can't wait to see what's in the bigger box. This is the medium box, and I'm already like freaking out about what's in here. I'm sweating. Oh my God, is it the lights? I don't know. I feel like I'm sweating. Everybody calm down. Calm down, everybody. Let's set this aside. I can show you what it looks like. I don't even have to open it because look it, here's mine. And it's all messy and purple because I use it all the time. So there's mine. Look how beautiful it is. I love it. I want to see what's in this Skin Frost. So Skin Frost is like highlighter, but it's a gigantor. Now why we need this gigantic size of a highlighter, I don't know, but I'm down for it. Okay, so lovely packaging. I love the black and the orange. Very matte, pretty. really pretty. Oh, I don't know what this is. Does it have a disease? I don't know. I think it's got mange. Or it kind of looks like peanut butter and jelly or a cookie. I don't know. What does it look like to you? I don't know what this is. It feels lovely. Oh, let me just rub it. So a little bit got in the black. So what do I do with this? I don't know what this does. I'm a terrible swatcher. I'm very sorry about that. So here's what I think about this. The orange areas are lovely, but that black is really black. Like when it really like comes out. So I don't know. Maybe if it was like half and half, that might be fun. Like half black and half the orange stuff. I mean, is that part of it? I don't know. What are y'all thinking about this? It's gorgeous to open up. I'm just thinking about like practical usage. Like how am I gonna do that? Let me get a little brush and we'll put a little on and see what, ooh, it does come out black. I don't want to use black highlighter. Do I? I mean, maybe for a look. I don't know. I'll just focus into the orange area for now, but it's a pretty highlighter. So I think these are normally like $30 or something. I'll put the real one underneath here after I research it like a normal person should do. For God's sake. Okay, let's open up something else. Okay, so we got a liquid frost. I have 2 liquid frosts already. I have blue balls. That's right, blue balls. And I have, this one came in the last mystery box. I can't see the writing. It is tiny. What the hell does it say? Frozen peach. It's like the tiniest writing you could ever imagine. And I'm 43, so I can't see what that says. So frozen peach. Heat wave. Ooh, it's kind of a bronzy. Ooh, y'all. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, I'll put the, oh, there it goes. I'll put the correct pricing underneath me here, but I think it was like $25. That was way too freaking much. Way too much. But it's really pretty. Really pretty, but I used way too much. So a little goes a long way. Helpful tip there. But you know what? That's actually really pretty, like if it's like summer, you know, you're trying to like be a little bronze or whatever. That's not terrible. And there's kind of like little hints of pink glitter in it a little bit. It's very glittery. If you don't like glitter, then hit the road. Drink break. All right, let's get into some of this lip action. I don't know what this blue one is doing. This is definitely from the Jawbreaker collection, obviously called Jawbreaker. It's pretty blue. It looks very blue and glittery. So I'm not gonna put that on because I have purple. See, what I feel like is that one was sitting on the shelves. That's what I feel like. And they're like, you know what? We need to get that out of here. Oh, this one's really pretty. This one is called Bronze Blood. So clearly this box, the mystery items were the Skin Frost and the t-shirt that were exclusive. And then I think in the big box, I'm gonna have the mystery lipsticks. And so I'm excited about those. This one's actually really pretty. See, I've already let me do it on my hand like Jeffree does. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'll wear that for sure. And let me put that blue next to it. It's blue. And it's glittery. Oh, you know what? That would be pretty like over something because it's kind of sheer. It's not like a solid blue. Okay, we could figure out something for that. And the gloss. I'm excited. Okay, so this is blue. Diet Freeze. Blue gloss. I mean, this is a large container. That's I mean, compared to the liquid lipstick, that's pretty big. Let's look at the measurements. The normal velour liquid lipstick. Oh, for God's sake, it's tiny writing. My old eyes can't see it. Oh, here it goes. Okay, 0.19 fluid ounces. And then the gloss. This is so stupid that I can't find it. Juicy, it says 2 finishes, glitter fantasy and extreme shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. Where's the stupid measurement? Oh my God, it's not on this box. Well, it's more. I'll look it up and I'll put the amount here because I can see it. Let's try the gloss. Okay. I'm going to put it next to this other swatch. So I don't know if I'm going to use this one. There it is, swatched. So I don't know if I was really excited about the gloss, but I don't know. Maybe I should just put it on. I'm going to use a different dauber because if I end up giving this away, I don't want to put it on my purple lips and then it's going to be all cray cray. So let's see. Okay, that's not terrible. Okay, here's my assessment on this gloss. I was hoping for something more wearable for like a normal person. I'm clearly not a normal person. So I do wear weird colors. Let's say non-conformative colors, if that's the right words. I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. If it was over a pink or a purple, it actually is really nice. Not something I'm gonna wear every day. They probably didn't sell a lot of these, is my guess. So I'm not super stoked about this one, but it's not terrible. It is something I can wear. So here we go. I've got a gloss, a liquid lipstick, another kind of a lip topper, I would guess, a liquid frost. 1, 2, 3, 4 items. We got 5 with the skin frost. The palette is 6. The t-shirt is 7. Oh, the mirror! Whoa. My mirror. I love it. So next is the big box, the Supreme. Is that right? I don't even know. Oh, I'm still recording. I don't know what to do with the skin frost. It's really pretty, but I don't understand it. So I'm gonna have to look at some reviews on this and see what people are saying because I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, am I supposed to put black highlighter on or do I focus in the black and put it on my eye? I don't know. Tell me what you think. So like, I literally finished filming the first part and went to go see if my box had arrived yet. And guess what was outside? Oh! The timing. I'm telling you people, the timing was so perfect. Here it is. Oh my God. What did I say? 13 items. I'm excited. I've never gotten the big one before. I am stoked. I don't even know what to do. Like, I'm so excited. Like, can I just make this moment last? How stupid am I? I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, everybody focus. Everybody. I can't yell. Baby's asleep. Oh crap, I hope I didn't wake him up. Holy crap. I am freaking out. I thought for sure I would just get a second t-shirt. I was just telling my husband that I wanted a tracksuit. You've been watching Shane Dawson's series and all they wear are these tracksuits. And it really makes you want to have one. And I got one. Oh my God, I am freaking out. I am about to go put this on as soon as I'm done with this video. I just want you to know. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. Everybody focus. What in the heck is this? Oh my God, they put this whole thing in here? Oh, y'all, I have this. Hold on. I've been using them. My husband bought me this Christmas before last. I think he got it for me. These are so nice, you guys. And I use these all the time. Just throw them in a purse, especially like if you're going to an event and you have to bring one of the tiny purses. These are great to just throw in. And I use these colors all the time. There's a few that I don't use a whole lot of. I'm really excited that I got this. I would have been more interested in the blue one, Jeffree. I do like that blue color that you put in that blue blood packaging, but you know, it is what it is. Did I get another mini breaker? Oh my God. Okay, so now I'm definitely giving one away. So one will go in my makeup kit and one I'm gonna give away. That's exciting. Velour lip liner. Ooh, Anna Nicole. Okay, a red lip liner. You know what? I just pulled Anna Nicole out the other day. Where did I put it? I don't know. It's somewhere around here. But look at this, you guys. The detailing in the component. Oh, let's look at it. I mean, this red, I mean, it's the perfect name for this red because she would have totally wore that. It's like a fire, like orangey red, like that. Nice. Oh, I got one of the straws. I can put it in my pink drink. I need to wash it first. Oh, but look it comes with a little cleaner. So that's nice. Awesome, and it's orange, so it goes with the whole Halloween thing, so that's cute. Oh, I got a lip scrub, cucumber mint. I need to do these more often. I have 2 of his lip scrubs, super cute. Let's see, this is cucumber mint. Yeah, cucumber and mint. I like that. That's nice. We got another lip ammunition, another kind of weird color that they're probably trying to get rid of. This one's purple, called Yummy, also from the Jawbreaker collection. So let's put that, let's do a little swatchy. Yeah, it's very, very light and shimmery, maybe a topper or whatevs. Not super excited about that. Not as much as the tracksuit. That's for damn sure. Okay, we got another liquid lip, Venus flytrap. Let's see what this is about. Oh, Lord Jesus. I don't know about this, y'all. Now, the last mystery box, I got a green color. Where is it? This is the green one I got. I'll do a swatch of that. And I thought that it looked like baby poop. But when you wear it, it's actually really pretty on. So I do wear it. But this one is even further down the line. This looks like the baby food. Oh, Lord. Look at that. I don't know about this one, y'all. I could definitely use this one for makeup looks because you can use his liquid lipsticks for more than just lip. But I just don't know that I'm going to wear this, y'all. I just don't think it's going to happen. I'm just being honest. I love Jeffree's products, but a minty green, I just don't think it's in my color wheel. I just don't think it's going to work. Okay, let's move on, shall we? We got a Supreme Frost, which I love. His Supreme Frost, I have 4 of them. This is the last one that I bought, Diamond Wet. It was in the Jawbreaker collection. Gorgeous, glittery. If you don't like glitter, then these highlighters are not for you. Caramel Kiss. Oh, y'all. Look at that. Holy Toledo. That is gorgeous. It goes with my caramel. This other thing I got. What is this liquid frost called? Heat Wave. Looks like those kind of go together. Oh, yeah, baby. I will use that. Faux show. Did I get crap on the box already? Come on, everybody. Okay, we got the mystery shade. Not what I was expecting at all. I kept seeing like gray, like a gunmetal color. Y'all, maybe that went in the smaller box. Holy shnikes. I should be wearing this on my lips right now. I'm putting some on. Just cover this up. Oh my God. Yes. The one that I had on was a Jeffree as well. This is the one I was wearing compared to the one I just got. Oh Lord, y'all, that's my color. That is my color. Thank you, Jeffree. This one is called You Better Work. Work. Cover girl. What is this called? I don't even know what I'm doing. Zombie Kiss. Zombie Kiss. I am loving the Zombie Kiss. That is my shade right there. Look at y'all. Ooh. Okay, let's continue. What did I get? Prom Night. Now, is this an actual record? What is this? Look at, I don't even know if I have a record player. It's an actual record. Oh my God. I can just hang this on the wall maybe. Well, because y'all know he did some music. I didn't know that they sold this. Do they sell these? Oh, looky. I think I got another mirror. Oh, let's see. Ooh, I hope it's the black one. Where are my skizzers? Skizzers. I gotta cut it. So this is the last item. So the party's almost over. I hope you enjoyed the ride. I freaked out. I'm about to go put the tracksuit on and show y'all. Oh, I got another orange one. Maybe I should give one away. 2 oranges and a red. Welcome back to my channel. Why didn't I get the black one? I wanted the black one. Still cute. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe I'll give it away. Maybe I won't. I'm excited. I'm about to go try on this tracksuit. Okay, y'all. I am in the crew now. Andrew, are you filming? Are you filming? I'm ready. Jeffree, let's go film. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my God. I am beyond. I'm about to send a picture to my husband and he is gonna freak out. This is amazing. I'm so excited right now. I cannot even stand it. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching this, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. and my crazy. If you liked it, please give me a like down below and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Halloween. Have a great day. Bye.